Hello everybody. Today we're gonna play Minecraft Horror Mode. It's the Halloween special. And yes, and today's video plan is I wanna make an house, try to stay alive, and get some stuff. Maybe I'll do the part 2, but we'll find that out later. I got the cassette 1, Safety Instructions, The Man from the Fog. I'll keep this for later if we need it. It's cassette, so I guess we can listen to it. Now let's get us some wood and stone. The shaders are so weird, I don't know. What is that? What is that up there? Okay, that's weird. Okay, let's just focus gearing up for now. Oh, this is like a structure over here. Okay, let's get some stone, basic tools, and then we go explore some items. Ooh, coal we need. We can make torches with it so we can see better. Make a sword just in case we need it. Okay, let's get some extra wood. Okay, I wonder what is in here. This looks cool. Ooh, doesn't seem anything to be here. Also, we have pretty much stuff in this mod pack. I took the mod called Cave Horror Project and I checked the mods in it and it has pretty much mods, like 40 or something. Ooh, we're high up. J 130. On top of here. We need food. Oh my god. What was that? Should we go on? Also, comment down below if you see something that I didn't mention. Oh no, oh no. Okay, I guess we're not going right now. On top of the mountain. I didn't see any mobs we could eat. We need food. And our hunger is going down fast. Let's go down. It's so quiet right now. Oh no, my game lagged for a second. Did something spawn? Okay, I don't know. Is the sun setting already? Okay, I hope we just don't starve to death. It will be bad. What am I gonna do if something attacks me? I guess I'm gonna tower up. Wolf there. Another wolf. But any mobs I could eat. Do you guys see it? Oh, it's an Enderman. Oh my god. Why did you do that? Okay, this Enderman was so weird. Is there any fish? Fishy. I need food. Nothing here. Oh, the sun is setting. Like, what is that? Just, just flying there. Oh, fish, fish. Good. Okay. Okay, let's make an place to hide in. Okay, let this fish cook up. Now. Okay, let's just dig into a wall in here and wait until the day appears. So can we... Let's make a door. Now. So, yep, now it's coming night time. No fish. Come on. Is this thing becoming bigger or it's just my imagination? Okay, whatever. Let's just make a little base here. Ooh, it became night. Okay, we're blocking this up. We're blocking this up. We are not staying here for any longer than we need to. Okay, these are just noises. We don't have to make it big. Let's put the torch over here. So, and here's the water. Okay, another water. Okay, we have to go. Okay, right now. Also, use headphones if you have for the best experience. Okay, let's look at the items. 94 pages. I saw when mods that have different new things to this game, so let's check that out. Any new weapons? Ooh. Wait. Mangrove. Hmm. Okay. The horror mods should. What is that? 30 attack damage? That is crazy. The terrifying core of eternal suffering torments those who hold it, a nightmarish substance of unknown origin. It possesses seemingly limitless malevolent power, provides information on tormentor level when held, traps from tormentor final boss. So we have some kind of final boss here. Mosquito, morbidity. Okay, what's that? Accendance. Ascendant staff. Okay, weird. Fire opal. Abyss. Ascendant. Ooh, okay. These, these things are expensive for us right now. So, we're not gonna we can't make them right now. Gun! This looks like a gun over here. Internal boots. Okay, there's a lot of cool items over here. Sealed. So we have guns. Maybe selects. And more armor. What's that? Shooting boots. Shooting boots tier 2. Tier 3. So up to plus protection 1, protection 2, protection. Okay. Oh, waxed exposed cut iron. Safety instructions. Oh, music started playing. Cassette player. I guess we gotta find it or something. Blood pool. Okay. Ooh, magic log. Magic boat. Oh, red sofa. Toilet. Hey yo. Okay. Much new things. Dirt. Blocks. Ice. Yeah. Okay, cool. Okay. Is the Oh my. I just wanted to check. Is it night over? Okay, I can't see from here. No, still night. Okay, let's go on. I don't have anything to do right now, like mine or anything, because it's night and I don't wanna go outside right now because I don't have food and there will be monsters right now. Later I will make a house, make a windows and then we can look outside and so. But right now I wanna stay safe so we don't have to end the video in like 3 minutes. Ooh, stained glass panel. Cool. So we have much new things to make house with and ooh, ancient debris. Why do you need to make your house from debris bricks? Why? Like who wastes netherite on that? Okay, let's try to dig somewhere. Let's try to dig up. You guys see the minimap over here. What are those red icons? Are those the monsters? Because the gray was fish and oh, is it the sun? Oh, sunrise. It's so black out here. Like guys, look at this. I'm gonna eat the chocolate I cut for myself. Okay, and that thing is still up there. Guys, they do. Today we gotta get some food. Go up, go up, go up. Now, let's finish up this food. Look at the beautiful sunrise. Also, why is my skin Steve? Okay, I don't know what. Maybe the mods. God! These noises are making me freak out. Oh, fishy! Fishy over here. Nice. Okay. Nice food. Now I want to travel, get some materials to make a house. Okay, done. It's exploring time. Oh, ice bears. I don't know if they're gonna attack me or something. What is that? What is that? Okay, I'm not going to any weird places right now. What is that up here? Like, what? Another flying thing. Why has to be everything in the sky? Like, why? Okay, we're not going to up to that thing right now. Jill? Okay. Yo! I don't want to fight anybody. Okay. The world is... Oh! Woods! We are in the woods now. Okay. Let's get some wood. Chopping down trees, chopping down trees, chopping down... What? Oh, this mod contains the lumberjack mode too. Lumberjack mode too. Okay, nice. I like it. Actually, this is not my first time playing horror mods, but this is the like most creatures including one. Like I have played Siren Head before, and so okay, we have plenty of wood now. Now we need sheep, food. Food. I'm sorry, sheep, but I need your food. What? Oh my god, what is that? What can I do with that? It's just a dead chicken. Okay. Get some stone done. Red thing. And also, if I didn't mention it yet, this is my first video with voice, so okay. This got me off guard for some second. It's so foggy when I'm in. Okay, let's get a little bit wood more, and then we go to. Okay, am I gonna make my house like up here? Wait, oh, okay, Piggy, you have to go. What can I do with those? I like it. We can get much wood in fast time. Oh, this looks like a beautiful place. I guess we make. Oh, nice place. What if we make my house like up there? Okay, let's go to there. And I guess if we are able there, then it's okay. I guess we'll start building the house. What was that sound? Oh, the bunny? Oh, fox. Okay, guys, let's make a house. Like, let's like. Okay, just then three. It's been suspiciously peaceful right now. Okay, let's remove this stone here. Make a shovel. Also, I guess we have skinwalkers here, so anything, everything could not be. Oh, it's okay here. Why are you looking at me like so? Stupid look on your face. Yep, we are making a house. Definitely. Okay. Boom, bam, bam, bam. Oh no. The man from the fog is making those sounds. I'm making a house tall. I wanna make a like a castle. No, you don't see me. Oh, we can't make a bed right now. Okay, so the night dweller is making noise. Well, I don't like that. The night dweller is the shiny thief guy who has the mm, long. I don't know how to say it. Like long teeth and everything. Okay, crafting table, bam bam. Like more. I'm not a good builder, so guys, please respect me. I'm trying my best. You know what? I'm gonna block the door for the night. Snowballs. I'm gonna throw the monster with it. Okay, I'm gonna make like. Okay, let's make some slabs for the. Oh, it's getting dark now. It's like pitch black. Oh my. Okay. Oh, the Minecraft music. It's kind of giving an chilling sound of horror mods. Sheep. Don't even try to get in. Okay. Let's go caving. We need stone. Permafrost. What is that? Okay. Cryosol. Huh? Okay. That's a new thing to know. Oh. Cave here. It might be a little bad because it will make cave noises to even freak me out more. Okay, stone. We need it. Okay, it's just a noise. It doesn't mean anything has spawned yet. Okay, 33 should be enough wood or stone for right now. Oh my god, why did I? Just look at how dark is it. Oh my god, why is there white? Oh, clouds, maybe. Is the thing? Okay, we can't see right now. I'm getting in my house right now. What? Oh my god. You know what? We're making trapdoors, so if anything somehow spawns down here, It's not that easy to get up here. Now I'm gonna check if my recording hasn't froze. Okay, everything is going good. Chocolate time. Oh, I just mentioned that I have clock over here. So what can we do with those? Oh, huh? What I can do with those, man? Sheep. Backpack. Sheep. So what does it? Carcass. Oh, we need cleaver. Oh, we need iron. We need iron. Oh, we need a new axe. Okay, let's make a chest to store our items in. Why did it get skeleton hurt? Why is skeleton getting hurt? Please explain me. Sunrise here, guys. Oh, I guess they have pumpkins on their heads because it's Halloween today. By the way, happy Halloween. I'm checking. Is it running normal? Okay, let's make a bed. Time to make our door door open. Okay. Okay, sheep. Sorry. Okay, second wool. Now, sheep. Where are you, sheep? Sheep, indeed. Come on, we need sheep. Is the ding still up there? Okay. I don't see any sheep. Sheepy, come out. Come out. Where are you all? Sugarcane. Actually, let's write, down our base coordinates because I don't want it to get lost. Well guys, I guess that's it for the day. That's the first episode. If you guys enjoyed the video, then please like and subscribe. Let's make 3 likes for part 2. Then we have some stuff to do. We need to make a bed and a cleaver so we can... Oh my god. Bye.